Hello student, welcome in the online lecture series. I am Dr. Balasaheb Tambe, Assistant Professor in MEPS KTHM College Nasik. In this lecture, we will start second part of this subject. It is settlement geography. In this subject, we will study the first chapter in this various in few lectures. In this lecture, we will study the introduction, definition, and some conceptual part of this topic, this subject. In this chapter, we will define the rural settlement as first. But before that, we must know what is settlement. A group of people living together forms a settlement. A settlement may be broadly classified into four types: shapeless cluster, linear cluster, square and rectangular cluster. Settlement form of isolated or dispersed homestead. Moreover, a great variation in the settlement types is observed due to geographical, cultural, and economical factor, and on the basis of this factor, settlement can be broadly classified into urban and rural settlement. There are some basic difference between rural and urban settlement in general. The function is the major difference between rural and urban areas. Rural areas have predominantly primary activities, whereas urban areas have dominant of secondary and tertiary activity. Again, rural areas have low density of population compared to urban. Rural settlement, usually quite small, are most closely and directly related to land. Most people living there, they are involved in primary activities such as farming, fishing, forestry, and mining and forest gathering. Hence, rural settlement may be considered as unifunction and have primary activities. In order to address the particular needs to the rural village and rural settlement study is important. Rural settlement study identify the economic, social, and environmental aspects of the village. Rural settlement have different pattern. Settlements that are far apart are isolated or dispersed. On the other hand, settlements are the close together to each other are clustered or nucleared. By the term shape, the morphology of the settlement is discussed. Some T shapes or L shapes, I shapes, O shapes. Some shapes are created because of the various causes. He is referred to how the buildings are arranged in relation to each others and their physical appearance. The shape of rural settlement may be linear, round, square, cross, or T-shaped. Types of this settlement are determined by the extent of the built-up area and inter-house distance. Several physical, cultural, and ethic factors and security factor are the major there three factor that determine the types of rural settlement. While going going through this unit, we will see the geology and general physiography play a very important role in descending the nature of building material. As far as building materials are concerned, this can be grouped under three two categories, such as building material used to wall and building material used to roof. There is a regional variation of rural settlement throughout India, as India has very social, climatic and geographical condition. Definition of rural settlement. Rural settlement is the part of the settlement. By rural settlement, it is meant a sparsely populated community existing in a country away from densely populated urban centers. The rural settlement derive their life support or basic economic needs from land basic economic primary activities. It is observed that the rural people are less mobile and hence social relation among uh, them are intimate. Rural settlement in India can broadly be put into four types: cluster or nuclear settlement, semi cluster or fragment settlement, helmet settlement, hamlet settlement, dispersed or isolated settlement. There can be several or rural settlement. There can be several pattern of the rural settlement. Some of there are linear, radial, star shape, rectangular, fan pattern or circular pattern. Thank you. Thank you very much. We will discuss this pattern or these types in various lecture in next lecture. Some patterns or some extra patterns also we will study in next lecture, and some types of settlements also study into next to next lecture. Thank you very much.